Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. Which statement characterizes the general programming model used by Spark Structured Streaming? Option A. Structured streaming leverages the parallel processing of GPUs to achieve highly parallel data throughput. Option B. Structured streaming is implemented as a messaging bus and is derived from Apache Kafka. Option C. Structured streaming relies on a distributed network of nodes that hold incremental state values for cache stages. Option D. Structured streaming models new data arriving in a data stream as new rows appended to an unbounded table. Structured streaming models new data arriving in a data stream as new rows appended to an unbounded table. This mechanism allows Spark to seamlessly integrate batch and streaming operations, treating the streaming data as a continuously growing table, which it processes incrementally. Question 2. Assuming that the Databricks CLI has been installed and configured correctly, which Databricks CLI command can be used to upload a custom Python wheel to object storage mounted with the DBFS for use with a production job? Option A. Configure. Option B. Fournir if so. Option C. Workspace. Option D. Libraries. The correct command to interact with DBFS for uploading a custom Python wheel is fs. The fs command allows you to perform various file system operations on DBFS, such as copying files to and from DBFS, listing files, and deleting files. Configure is used for setting up the CLI, workspace for working with workspace directories and notebooks, and libraries for managing libraries, but none of these directly handle file system operations on DBFS. Question 3. A DLT pipeline includes the following streaming tables. Raw IoT ingests raw device measurement data from a heart rate tracking device. BPM stats incrementally computes user statistics based on BPM measurements from raw IoT. How can the data engineer configure this pipeline to be able to retain manually deleted or updated records in the raw IoT table, while recomputing the downstream table BPM stats table when a pipeline update is run? Option A. Set the pipelines, reset, allowed property to false on raw IoT. Option B. Set the skip change commits flag to true on raw IoT. Option C. Set the pipelines, reset, allowed property to false on BPM stats. Option D. Set the skip change commits flag to true on BPM stats. To retain manually deleted or updated records in the raw IoT table and ensure the downstream table BPM stats is recomputed when a pipeline update is run, the data engineer needs to set the pipelines. Reset. Allowed property to false on raw IoT. This prevents the raw IoT table from being reset during pipeline updates, ensuring that the manual changes are preserved. Question 4. When evaluating the ganglia metrics for a given cluster with 3 executor nodes, which indicator would signal proper utilization of the VM's resources? Option A. The 5-minute load average remains consistent flat. Option B. CPU utilization is around 75%. Option C. Network I/O never spikes. Option D. Total disk space remains constant. When evaluating the ganglia metrics for a cluster, CPU utilization being around 75% is a strong indicator that the VM's resources are being effectively utilized. This level of utilization suggests that the CPU is actively handling processes without being either idle or overburdened, thus indicating proper resource utilization and balancing of workloads across the cluster. Question 5. Which distribution does Databricks support for installing custom Python code packages? Option A. Spiti. Option B. Crank npm. Option C. Wheels. Option D. Jars. Wheels are the official built package format for Python. They are a newer standard for packaging Python code, which includes compiled extensions and metadata, making them suitable for distributing custom Python packages. Databricks supports the use of Wheels for installing custom Python code packages. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.